Tired of feeling like your smartphone's become a digital leash dragging you around the social media wasteland? Does the mere sight of endless app notifications send shivers down your spine? Well, brace yourselves, because there's a new critter hopping onto the scene, promising to liberate you from the tyranny of your touchscreen overlord. The Rabbit R1. This little orange brick isn't your average voice assistant. We're not talking cheesy jokes and weather updates here. The R1 is your personal AI errand boy, a tiny terminator of tedious tasks. Need cinema tickets? Booked. Dinner reservations? Done. Laundry folded into origami swans? Okay, maybe not that, but you get the picture. So, how does this device work its magic? It all boils down to rabbits. Not the fluffy kind that munch on carrots. These rabbits are pre-programmed scripts that tackle specific tasks like a team of digital gnomes scurrying around, fulfilling your every whim. Need to escape the office shackles and jet set to Bali? Boom! Unleash the travel rabbit. Picture yourself slumped at your desk, eyes glazed over by spreadsheets, then whispering, "R1, my trusty steed, let the travel rabbit loose and book me a one-way ticket to paradise, pina coladas, optional." Within seconds, your R1 hums with invisible gnome activity, searching flights, comparing prices, and voila! Your boarding pass materializes on the screen, ready to whisk you away on a tropical adventure. Or maybe you're stuck in a gym rut, the treadmill taunting you like a mocking fitness instructor. Fear not, for the Music Rabbit springs to the rescue. Just imagine beads of sweat dripping down your face, muscles screaming for mercy, and you croak out, "R1, unleash the Music Rabbit, unleash the beastly beats." Suddenly, your R1 channels Spotify into a DJ on fire, curating the perfect workout playlist that turns your struggle session into a dance party for one. Think of these rabbits as your personal army of Minimax headrooms, each with a specialized skill set. Want to order groceries delivered fresh to your door? Deploy the Grocery Rabbit. Need to schedule a meeting with your boss without the usual email dance-off? Send the Calendar Rabbit into the arena. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. But wait, there's a catch. There always is, right? Let's not paint the R1 as some tech messiah. It's got its quirks, like a rebellious teenager with an AI chip for a brain. First off, it's not a smartphone replacement. Think of it as a specialized tool, not a jack of all trades. Sure, it'll handle the basics, but don't expect it to write your next viral TikTok dance. And unlike your smartphone, that's basically a pocket Swiss Army knife, the R1 is more like a fancy laser pointer. It excels at specific tasks, like booking flights or ordering pizza, but don't expect it to replace your entire digital life. Think of it as a highly skilled sous chef, not a Michelin-starred master chef. It'll handle the chopping and prep, but you're still the one responsible for main course and cleaning up the mess. And if you're already allergic to your smartphone and can't bear the thought of looking at another screen, the R1 might not be your knight in shining armor. It still relies on your phone as its base of operations, so you'll need to keep it handy for now. But think of it as a bridge between your phone and a future where AI handles everything. And communicating with the R1 requires learning its language. It's not just barking orders like "order me a coffee." Instead of tapping through an app, you gotta tell your R1 to send a caffeinated pigeon to Starbucks, extra oat milk, no foam, because I'm a rebel like that. Yeah, it takes some getting used to. Just remember, patience is key when deciphering the rabbit tongue. And let's face it, technology isn't perfect, and the R1 is no exception. Sometimes your rabbit army might get lost in the digital forest, leaving you staring at a blank screen and wondering if they've all gone rogue to join Skynet. You could be in the middle of ordering that mouth-watering pizza, picturing cheesy goodness melting on your tongue, when suddenly the R1 throws a digital tantrum. The screen goes blank, your rabbit friend vanishes into the ether, and you're left staring at a digital void, wondering if your pizza dreams have gone poof into the Wi-Fi router in the sky. Don't panic. These glitches are usually temporary, and with a quick reboot or update, your furry friends will be back to their duties. Just think of it as adding a little excitement to your day. The R1 is constantly learning and evolving. With every update, its digital diapers get a little more leak-proof, its tantrums become less frequent, and its AI muscles get stronger. So, is the Rabbit R1 the missing piece in your tech puzzle? That depends. If you're a die-hard smartphone loyalist who can't function without the dopamine rush of endless notifications, maybe stick to your familiar device. If you're one of those folks, the R1 might feel like a tech detox gone wrong. The lack of notifications, the curated silence, the need to actually speak to your AI assistant instead of tapping mindlessly. It might be more jarring than a disco ball at a silent meditation retreat. But if you're a productivity ninja seeking to reclaim your time, it's worth a hop. Imagine reclaiming hours spent battling email dragons and scheduling appointments. Your R1 becomes your silent warrior, booking flights while you conquer your inbox, ordering groceries while you brainstorm that killer presentation. Suddenly, free time isn't a mythical creature anymore. It's a reality. You can finally indulge in that side hustle you've been neglecting, write that novel, or even set up your own YouTube channel. Think of it this way. The R1 is like a personal trainer for your digital life. It's there to push you, to help you break free from the smartphone shackles, to rediscover the joys of living outside the screen. But just like with any good trainer, it's not for everyone. Some people thrive on the challenge. Others prefer the comfort of their sugary donuts, aka endless notifications. But for those of you yearning for a tech detox, a chance to break free from the digital leash, the R1 presents a tantalizing glimpse of the future. And if you want to check out another piece of crazy tech, watch this video right here. It's a future where AI handles the mundane, leaving you free to explore, create, and, maybe actually fold your own laundry for once. So, grab your R1, unleash the rabbits, and let's see if this adorable AI assistant can truly show us the way out of the smartphone maze. Just remember, don't ask it to explain Watership Down. That's just cruel.